Hello everyone, today we are going to be talking about predicate nominatives. A predicate nominative is a noun or a subject pronoun that follows a linking verb. It identifies and renames, listen to this, renames the subject. Let's remember what are our subject pronouns. We have 7 and they are we, he, she, and as well if, they, and you. Linking verbs. I just have some examples over here. Is, are, were, been, have, has, and will. I know that we have many more, but these are the ones that we are going to be using in these sentences that we are going to be working on in this video. So let's look at the next sentences. The first one says, the 7th president was Andrew Jackson. Let's identify our subject in this case. There you go. So, president in this case is the simple subject. Now that you have identified your subject, let's see where can we find the predicate nominative. There you go. Andrew Jackson. So you can see there is a linking verb right over here, was. And after the linking verb, we have the predicate nominative. So the president was Andrew Jackson. We have an article and an adjective. 17 is an adjective and that is the article, but we are going to focus just in the predicate nominative and the formula. And the formula is, guys, that president, and we remove the verb or the linking verb, and you just place the equal, you are going to see that we are renaming the subject. So, president equals Andrew Jackson. That is your predicate nominative. Let's look at the second one. He was not a child of wealth or a special privilege. What is our subject over here? Well, we have a subject pronoun. And the subject pronoun is he. Let's read again. He was not a child of wealth or a special privilege. Is he being renamed over here? Let's take a look. Of course it is. So child renames he. And then you have the linking verb was. So we have our formula over here. He equals to child. You have found your predicate nominative, you have found the linking verb, and you have the subject. Let's keep going, okay? Eventually, Jackson became a lawyer and a politician. Remember, the predicate nominative renames the subject, and it follows actually a linking verb. Where is our subject in this sentence? Of course, Jackson. We have located. Then, what do we need to find after? Our linking verb, that is became. That means that lawyer and politician are the predicate or is the predicate nominative. Both of them are renaming Jackson, or both of them are renaming the subject. So subject and linking verb, predicate nominative. Let's look at this one. What became test? Easier to identify. Subject, linking verb, predicate nominative. War became test. Subject, as I told you, linking verb, predicate nominative. Easy peasy. Let's move on with the number 2. British were opponents. As well, again, remember, predicate nominative renames what? The subject. So in this case, British subject were linking verb, and the predicate nominative opponents. There you go. Formula, subject equals predicate nominative, British equal opponents. Third one, president was James Madison. The linking verb that we have in here is was. There you go. So James Madison renames the president. The third one and last one. Let's see. Commander of troops was General Andrew Jackson. Commanders in this case is our subject. There you go. Then let's find the linking verb to identify the predicate nominative. So was is the linking verb, predicate nominative, of course, General Andrew Jackson. Okay, guys, so these were the examples that I brought for you. I hope you understand, and I will see you next.